let's double check the Mina protocol with my customer request. So this is the updates of main bull run plan for Mina, what I posted in 2023. I hope you watched that video. And guys, this cycle, I repeat again and again and again, this cycle, it's not a mistake to withdraw initial deposit after 100% profit, because this market changed. Everything in the world changed after the February 2022. And just to be honest, guys, I don't think so. The Mina now, based on this chart, will reach the first target, what I shared here, $4.06. Why? Because the capitalization will be kind of big one. Now, what is good for Mina is 100% tokens in circulation supply. So there is no some seller pressure from the unlocks or so. So it's good moment, but it's 1.260 million circulation supply. So $1, 1.22 billion market capitalization. So $2 to 50. So it's kind of big one, right? And the highest point of the market cap was like $3.34 billion, and it's 0.5 followed by fee, $4, it could be like around the 5 billion market capitalization. It's kind of big numbers, right? Because the people all the time talk about a billions like, oh, it's not a big deal, right? So what's the problem to reach the 1 billion market capitalization? It's a big problem, guys. So there's not enough liquidity now on the market to pump all tokens together. That's why, guys, let's build the conservative price targets. I will be not surprised if the Mina, in the most positive case scenario, will end the cycle now $2.75. So yes, I don't know what's going on now with the Mina, what they trying to deliver on this market, but it looks like no matter what they trying to deliver on the market, it's not make sense for the price. Just in case. And yes, I'm not laughing exactly on Mina. It's all about all tokens, all altcoins. They work hard on something the last 5 years basically, but it's not affect the price at all of their tokens. So maybe they work and bring something good on a blockchain, on an industry, but it's not make any sense for the price, for the charts. That's why, guys, build a realistic price target. For the Mina, the highest point here, this is how the chart looks like. So this is how the unlocks affect the price. So here is the tokens, and here is we dump by price, but market cap pump it. So the market cap pump it in March 24 to the top here, this one, but not pump on the chart, on the price, I mean. So highly recommended, by the way, guys, use new indicator now is CryptoFlight dashboard. You can adjust all settings for each indicator, time frames, and track so easy, just with one single nice dashboard on your screen. Save a lot of time, a lot of space on your screen. So let me check again. So trade on neutral on 1 hour time frame. Market mood now in optimism. But we need some depression. We need some depression on a daily to talk about investments. Also, guys, I don't know what exactly going on now with the Mina, but I never seen some extra bullish posts about Mina in my feed. Maybe I'm not checked the Mina at all, right? The last 2 years. That's why maybe in the feed I'm not check and not see some bullish news from Mina. Maybe they have a plan to deliver something. So we trade under 27 block. Technically, it's bullish. What if we drop under 4 cents again? It's going to be the open space, guys. It will be the open space. This FIB we tracked since 2023. Top in November, drop support, bounce 38, consolidation inside 27 block, bounce rejected zero level. Come back again inside 27 block and sweep this liquidity pool. Now on the Binance, we dump, it's by the way on a Gate.io because it's all this chart. We dump it to the 3 cents 67. Let's double check what the price was on the Binance. 3 cents 42. Not a big difference, right? So I guess most now like realistic middle term target positive case scenario if we will bounce to 69 cents. Yes, and it will be just amazing, guys. Profit is going to be 1,500%. So just in case, that's why, guys, these targets looks just insanely bullish. 6,000%. I'm not sure. So let's focus now on 69. It will be not a mistake, guys, to fix 100% profit if you're already in profit, because if you carry the knives, for example, at 6 cents, now you could just easily fix the profit withdrawal initial deposit. And most likely, we're going to test this level and build the trend line. I'm not a fan of the trend lines, like you know, but it's most likely will happen like this one. So the people draw the trend lines this way, and you know what I realize? When people draw the trend line by all of that rules, like touch, and after that we break, people start talking about yes, reversal move. We go into the moon because of bounce, retest, and go higher to the sky, right? But usually it's not a breaker because it's just because of chart looks always to the right side. That's why usually what I realize, we form something like this one. So we form the top. After that, we not count. This is like a second touch. Second touch will be around here. Approximately, it's hard to say about a timing. It can be, I don't know, here, maybe December. Maybe if it's extended, it can be the March. Maybe they're here. Maybe the March at somewhere 6 is going to be the end of cycle. 1,500% gains, pretty nice gains for the altcoins. Why not? So just be ready to fix the profit during the ride. If you believe in the next targets, even if you believe in maybe a new all-time high, you can hold this token. But guys, withdraw initial deposit, it will be never a mistake. Monthly time frames, guys. This is order flow. Definitely we could bounce and test 69 cents, you know, to close the, I don't know, 50% or close the full fill of this range, you know, of this downtrend. So hard to say about the timing. That's one problem, you know. And if, you know, this is like a range, the 0.5, if it's a bottom, here at 0.5, it's 54 cents. Maybe with a weak candle, you know, we could see the 69. So nothing special, guys. Can we drop under 4 cents, under 3 cents? Of course, it can. It's just price, price discovery mode. So there is no support, nothing, no history. No history and no support, no levels. Nobody know where the token will stop. So this is it. Let's double check, guys, with ADZ direction. ADZ here. Let's hide in the dashboard. Technically, it's accumulation in the monthly. Nice. Weekly, here was an obvious time to sell, December 24. And here, by the way, we formed that divergence. June 22, and here's October 23, we formed divergence. Huge divergence yearly pump. Now, fixation profit, now without any divergence. Technically, it can be like divergence, tiny one, maybe, you know, something like this one, but I'm not sure. You know, looks like divergence, but anyway, now based on the risk ratio, risk rewards, it's more than okay to maybe accumulate a Mina, you know, but with a target. So 13 cents up to on risk and a spot, like 27 cents you withdraw initial deposit. All right, direction, some accumulation. Here was accumulation, here is accumulation, here was accumulation pump. So I hope that November will be green, but if not, everybody gonna be cooked. Market smooth, it's a capitulation. Nobody believe in Mina. Finally, capitulation since June 25, we were in the wrecked zone. Capitulation, gray color, nobody care about Mina. Sentiment is just like a dead coin. And trade on, no signals to buy, sell, nothing. Here was a sell, February 24, 1, 2, 3 buybacks, no signal to buy main one. What is good on the daily here? Sell was in June, take profit on the Donald Trump dump. Here's a buy, a bounce, but we not break the structure. So this is like equal highs. We need to break this high and this high to talk about an uptrend move. But I hope we will see this one. Money power, guys. Here was a money inflow, some money inflow. It was a tiny bounce. On that dump, kind of weird. Why would we not see the money inflow? Yes, dump, correction, small pullback, some money inflow on 12 frame, MACD bullish, the warrant C, buy, pump, take profit, sell, drop. So nothing special, you know. Oh, here, this one. This was on a weekly time frame. Last week, I guess. No, previous one. So this was a money inflow. Nice. So time to hour will be here at the top with the money outflow. So you can add alerts. Just choose this one, money power indicator, money outflow, and track the money outflow is going to be the time to out of Mina. Months and frames, somebody, but we can't know that who accumulate this token. Plus, guys, you have to know, even if the whales accumulate the token, it doesn't mean it will pump for sure like crazy, and whales never lose the money. Whales lose the same amount of money, you know, in percentage like we, retails, just basic retails, but they lose the millions, and it's pretty tough. So 1, 2, 3 months in a row, it was accumulation. So like 14 cents, 20 cents, 18 cents, lowest point. So technically, this give me also the confidence. So if this is not a scam, let's say 20 cents average entry. At the 40 cents, at the 50, at 69, they will fix the profit and move on. If you believe in a highest point like this one, you can add alerts and track it also. The last indicator, guys, the most interesting is take profit on the weekly. Here, we underrate it. We trade on the fundamental value. On the fundamental value, it's 23 cents. Take profit line, guys, it's 63. With a weak candle, we can test the exit line 71. Lines are dynamic, so I don't know. In January, maybe in December, is going to be the take profit and the exit line test. Daily, here we hold the line at the buy line. The same story like with the ICP, absolutely identical chart. ICP around here. So the take profit local one daily, 21.33, exit line 23.97. This is it. Can we drop down again? Yes, of course, guys. Here the buy line on the 12th time frame now it's 9 cents. For the value it's 6 cents 78. So if we come back and close the 50% of this week, it's gonna be like test of 6 cents. I will not touch Mina, because I have zero interest in this token. Guys, if you'd like to trade with my customer, because I will show on this video, right now, don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.